Madonna.
Someone's missing. Oh, Papa, where'd he go? Oh, good.
Oh!
Want a picture? Don't want a picture. I'm getting inside.
No, I don't want this shit. Do you believe in love? Hell yeah. My hurry ass can't do that.
Huh? That's some straight G.I. Joe, bro. G.I. Joe. My phone is G.I. Joe.
I want G.I. Joe. I got Little Wayne. Little Wayne's the shit.
Check this out. That's fucking gay!
What is it?
Check this out, huh?
Oh.
Listen.
Why isn't my shit stopping?
Ow!
Because I got a ring. I got...
It's gay as fuck, listen. Gay as fuck.
Wow. But don't want to be there. What the fuck is that? Look at him.
Oh.
He's so cute. Hold on. Keep the camera there. He's so cute. Nippy. Nippy. And the camera like, oh. Man, this fucking phone sucks balls on
shit
battery.
pad, bro. It's Chinese sounding, bro. That's some fuck anime.
Send it! If it's some Japanese shit, send it.
Ain't it that sound like
You
some...
bitch ass nigga.
What?
Hey, that sound like the
I know
beginning
you.
of one of them anime shows. Yeah?
Look, my rim's right. B-boy, cowboy, bebop. Send that shit.
Ambient mood. Southern.
Send it, mother.
Southern.
Okay, bitch. I love you. Big. Customize. Ringing tone. Open gallery. No. Let's get out of that. Pretty soon I'm gonna have Go DJ. China, can you get music files?
I got one for you.
No duh, you music.
Fuck!
That's a ringtone.
Nigga, dun, dun, dun. That's fucking balling this shit.
Oh, it ain't loud, huh?
Wow.
Check it out.
I love getting messages now. It makes my day complete. It's like my fresh cup of coffee.
No?
Yeah, give me that.